Hi everyone, I want to talk about animals today. Let's start first with the chicken. Chicken lives in a farm and chicken has a feather. I have one feather here. And chicken give us egg. Rooster lives in the farm too, and rooster has a feather too. The next picture is cow. Cow lives in the farm. Cow gives us milk. Milk is made into yummy things like ice cream, butter, cheese, and yogurt. Cow loves grass and eat a lot of grass. Next animal is horse. Horse pulls heavy things on the farm. All horses love healthy snack like a carrot and apple. Next is pigs. Pigs have a curly tail. Pig's favorite color is pink. They love play in the mud and roll around in mud to keep cool when it is so hot. The last one is dog. Dog help the farmer and watch farms. Okay guys, for today is enough. In the next video we'll learn more about animals. Take care. Bye.